Hi guys, welcome back again. It's 19th of November 2020, and today we're having a DXY currency index analysis. Just right after the election, that isn't much action in the dollar so far, and it makes it quite a boring asset to trade at the moment. As you can see, we're trading within that rectangle box, also called a consolidation phase. Market is not trending, so it's really boring. Hence, we're going to trade all other currency pairs based on their own merits. Otherwise, guys, let's crack on. The Euro-Japanese yen is a combination of the euro plus the Japanese yen. Now here on our trade, this is a daily time frame. As you can see here, the price just broke through that resistance downtrend. Now is trying to forge its way to the top by creating a new potential uptrend. Based on that, we want to trade that trade by looking for any sort of buying opportunity. Hence, this area here is an area of interest to us. As you can see, the market just broke through, pull back, now it's retesting, try to find this way to the top. Now, our trade is going to be a quite easy trade, as we're going to buy as soon as possible on that support line, targeting that price of 124.933 with a risk reward ratio of roughly 2.09. So our stop loss is going to be at 121, also I should say 121.684. So cracking on to our next trade. I guess this is a weekly analysis on GBPUSD. For some time now, I've been trading the down. I've been trading the downward trend for some time now, and fortunately enough, the price now just start to form a new uptrend, just like the Euro-Japanese yen trend. You see here, the price just broke through that resistance line, pull back and retest. Now it's forging its way to the top. Hence, on that analysis, we want to take an opportunity on the buy side with an entry point of roughly 1.34192, with a target profit of 1.422, with a stop loss of 1.303. That gives us a risk reward ratio of 2.23. Now, remember guys, that's a long-term trade. So anytime you put that trade on, it's going to take a while to mature and reach its target profit. Hence, this is a weekly analysis. Let's zoom into our daily time frame. Now, here's the daily time frame, guys. As you can see, the price is trying to test those areas here of the resistance of 1.3364. Hence, we'll be looking for any breakout. Any breakout will give us a signal to enter that trade as soon as possible. Remember, we're trading all pairs based on their own merits, and GBPUSD doesn't give us much of indication, any sort of trends. Since we are going to look on GBPUSD as a buy opportunity. Moving to USD Japanese yen, this is just a catch up. We traded USD Japanese yen for a while ago, and we are more interested to see how that trade is doing so far. And simply the rationale behind this trade was to short it. We were shorting this trade based on this mini downtrend. As you can see here, we had higher lows with lower lows, hence creating this very interesting downward trend. And we could call this a fake out here, and that fake out gave us a really interesting opportunity to sell USD Japanese yen. We're still on this trade. We're targeting 102.82 as our target profit. So it's all about patience and see where that will take us. Anyways, the profits are quite massive, and we are more delighted that we took that trade as early during last 2 weeks. This is Tesla analysis. It's a quick analysis. Remember, we had a stock split of Tesla. It was trading roughly almost to $2,000. Now it's been split into four to 5 times split. Hence, we're trading roughly around 486.64 as we speak. Traders, we are just having the best times in Tesla. I mean, this is one time opportunity in a decade, trading this kind of stocks where we have a massive momentum to the upside. And when you have huge cash inflow in the stock market as we speak, there's a lot of upside potentials in so many stocks, especially tech stocks. Now, the Tesla is giving us really good setups, really good opportunities, entry points with the right risk rewards. Remember, we took this trade with a risk ratio of 1.47. We put our buy stop over there roughly at 456.74 with a target profit of 500.36. Now, just last 2 days, this Tesla stock went up by 9% after it was being announced that it could potentially being part of S&P 500. When you talk about S&P 500, these are the giants, top 500 companies in the US. So it's a big news for Elon Musk. It's a big news for us traders. We just want to take the opportunity and make some money. This is silver analysis. It's a daily time frame analysis. For some time now, we had a very bullish uptrend in silver that was correlating with gold. Now the price is trying to retrace back, meaning that this is just a potential exhaustion on the major upside momentum. Hence, as traders, we want to take that opportunity by shorting the silver. Now, shorting silver would potentially force us to do an analysis on a downtrend pattern, which you can see here on the charts. If you follow my arrows here, the price has been testing this resistance area for some time now, more than 4 times. Hence, we are more interested to short it as we speak at the moment at that area of 24.42, with a risk reward ratio of roughly that will be our target profit. Now remember, guys, this is going to be a potentially short-term trade, a quick one, in and out trade. Risk reward ratio of 1.26. It's not that good as a risk reward ratio, but it's a very good trending market, and always the trending markets have high probability with less risk reward ratio. So it's a no-brainer. It's something that is given based on the math behind trading trends. Hence, it's a good opportunity. It's a good opportunity. Sorry for that. Hence, you guys are going to take that trade and enjoy some profits. Hi guys, this is a Palladium analysis. This is just a catch up on Palladium. We've been trying to, make some noise, announce to traders out there. Palladium is another commodity most of you guys should be trading as we speak. It's one of those dark horses in the markets people don't pay attention to as far as they pay attention to gold or Bitcoin and the rest of commodities and alt commodities. Now this one, Palladium, is trading very well on an uptrend with a very interesting pattern. As you can see here, I drew this for you guys last week. So we're trading Palladium by looking for a buy opportunity around those areas. If you miss this trade over here, you just have to wait for this entry point over here of roughly 2,208 as entry point, with a target profit of 2,874 and a stop loss of 2,082. All right, this is gold analysis, and here we are trading gold with Hi guys, this is gold analysis, and we are trading the uptrend of gold. Right now we're trading at roughly 1,885, if I'm not mistaken. No, 1,858. Now we just pick our what should I say, our swing low over here to our swing high over here with a retracement area of roughly 61%. That is my retracement area of choice. Now remember guys, this is an intentional potential entry point. Is not a reflex, so anything might happen, price might go further down, but this is just an exhaustion. So I'm a big believer on the market to keep on going up, as right now commodities, especially these precious metals, they're in high demand due to global economic uncertainty. So entry price for that trade is roughly at 18.55 with the stop loss of 17.99 and take profit of 20.61. Risk ratio of that trade is 3.41. This is oil analysis, WTI oil to USD. At the moment, to trading it at oil has been traded at 41.371 per barrel. This is a recent retracement from the all-time lows of oil. Now, my further analysis is a downtrend, I should say, and we are seeing a retracement at 61%, and we are targeting take profit of roughly 20.152. So we are big believers on trends, hence this trade is a downward trend, and this is just a mere exhaustion of that downward trend, and further sell-off is foreseen. Hence our entry price is 35.703, and stop loss is at 41.842 with a target profit of 20.152. Hence this is what we want to see. We want to see a breakout to the downside with a high momentum, maybe a potential pullback, a retest, and a further sell-off to that target profit. Hi guys, this is a Bitcoin USD update. We had this analysis on our private group. As you can see, the price is doing extremely well for Bitcoin USD. It's trading roughly at 18,257,000, guys. I mean, no one expected this price to reach at that point, and a lot of traders were a bit procrastinating on trading Bitcoin or following up on Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is a big surprise in the market, and every retail trader is rushing to enjoy the piece of the ride. But for you smart traders out there, especially guys who are in my group, we don't want to catch a trend if it has passed on. Now traders, this is just an update on Bitcoin USD. As you can see here, we had a Fibonacci extension, and at that retracement we had 0.236, and the extension levels was roughly at 1.236 as well. Hence that gave us this really good risk reward ratio of 2.2 with a target profit of 18.257 and the stop loss of 94.89. This was our analysis in the private group. We wanted to enter that trade around those areas over there. This was it, and we entered that trade. Now we're riding that bull trend up to those areas of should be around 19,000 for the Bitcoin. So let's hope and see. Let's wait and see. Sorry, we don't want to hope. We want to see that happens. Hence traders, I hope you enjoyed our analysis on Bitcoin, and if you don't want to miss any kind of Bitcoin analysis, just please subscribe to our channel, and we'll be updating as soon as possible we found a new opportunity in the market. Cheers.